Earache can cause severe pains to your body, but you can reduce its symptoms using various home remedies. In this video, you will learn the 7 most effective natural remedies for earache. Let's get started. Getting rid of earache may not be an easy task to accomplish if you fail to use proper medications. If you do not have access to professional medical services, you should use natural and home remedies to get rid of the ear pain. No matter your opinion about the ear infection, always keep in mind that not all ear infections need a medical prescription. You can easily find all the remedies you need to restore your ear health at home. The natural remedies for earache consist of the following. 1. Olive oil. Whenever you begin to experience earaches at home, the fastest remedy you should consider is the use of olive oil. Currently, no powerful scientific proof back the effect of olive oil on ear pains. It is still very effective, but according to the American Academic for Pediatrics, olive oil is safe to use for ear diseases. Therefore, when you put little warm drops of olive oil in the ear during aches, it can help to lessen the pains moderately without harming your ear in any way. To use this method, you should begin by making the olive oil not warmer than your body temperature. You can determine its slightly hot nature using a thermometer. When you allow the olive oil to become so hot before using it, you may burn your eardrum without realizing it. Proceed to put about 2 or 3 drops of olive oil in the ear opening before you begin to gently massage the skin around the front entrance of your ear canal. The essence of conducting this massaging therapy is to ensure that the oil finds its way into your ear without errors. Maintain the position for about 5 to 10 minutes before returning your body to normal posture. Clean off the extra oil that may drop out afterward. 2. Sleeping without adding much pressure on your ear. When you develop an ear infection, you should keep in mind that your sleeping position will determine your wellness with time. If you add too much pressure to your ear during sleep, you will aggravate the ear pain. But when you sleep without adding much pressure to your ears, you will see yourself coming out of the aches in no distant time. As you sleep, ensure that the affected ear is facing upward instead of facing downward towards the pillow. With this approach, you can help the ear drain more if the need arises. Preferably, you can use extra pillows to elevate your head and fasten the ear's draining process. 3. Distractions can help. With distractions, you can lessen the earache with time. For example, if your child is suffering from ear infections, you can keep his or her mind off the pain using meals, books, favorite movies, fascinating toys, favorite snacks, or just anything that will make the person happy. Apart from children, adults can also use distractions to forget about the earache. When your mind is away from the pains, you will find yourself coming out of the earache in no distant time. 4. Garlic. With the medicinal content of garlic, it can help relieve the pains related to earaches. Generally, garlic contains both pain-relieving and antibiotic properties that can help you come out of any form of ear pain with time. To use this method, you should crush the garlic several times in warm sesame or olive oil. After that, use strain to separate the garlic from the oil. Begin to apply the oil into your ear canal. About 2 to 3 drops for a period of 5 to 10 minutes is enough for this remedy to work effectively. 5. Neck exercise. Some primary causes of earaches have to deal with pressure applied to the ear canal. You can use neck exercises to relieve yourself from this pressure. Some experts suggest that neck rotation exercises are also beneficial. To use this method, you need to sit straight up and position your feet flat on the ground. Gradually rotate your neck and head in the right direction. Keep up with this movement until your head is parallel to your right shoulder. Carry out the same practice on the left side to balance the training exercise. 6. Ginger. Naturally, ginger possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help to relieve pains relating to earache. To use this method, you should begin by applying the strained oil with ginger content or ginger juice around your outer ear canal. Make sure that you do not put the mixture into your ear directly. 7. Warm or cold compresses. In some cases of earache, people prefer to use warm compresses or ice packs such as damp washcloths or heating pads to relieve their ear pain. You can also use this method safely without any adverse effects. If the pain exists in your ears, do the same for about 10 minutes and you will become relieved from the pain. Experts consider this method safe for both adults and children. In conclusion, whenever you develop the symptoms of earaches, endeavor to find a suitable home remedy that will help you come out of your pain within a short time. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.